Stop wasting hours on job applications. What if I told you that you can use AI to apply to jobs for you on autopilot, generate perfect resumes and cover letters in seconds, and prepare you for job interviews, also help you clear interviews in real time? Sounds too good to be true? Well, the tool exists and it's called AIApply. In this video, I'll show you how AIApply can completely transform your job search, saving you time and getting you hired faster. Let's dive in. So this is the AIApply website. I'm going to be leaving a link to this in the description. Go ahead and test it out. It's totally free to try. Once you log into it, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So you'll have all your items on the left over here. So you can see we have the job hub, which is where you can manage all your application kits and your job applications. You also have your resume, your cover letter, job interviews, job search, and auto apply. But initially, when you log in for the first time, you're going to get these two options. So you'll have to either add in your resume, so you need to upload your CV, or connect your LinkedIn profile. Okay, now if you already have a CV, you can re-upload that as well. But what I'll do is go ahead and add in my LinkedIn profile here. So this is my LinkedIn profile. I'll go ahead and simply copy the link, come back to AIApply and click on connect LinkedIn. Simply paste in the URL here, click on continue. Now it's going to take some time, 10 to 15 seconds generally, to collect all the information. So you can see that it's added my LinkedIn profile and it's currently set it to the primary profile. We can very easily select the CV, the SEO CV that I had added previously, make it the primary one, but I think this is fine. So I'll come back to my job hub. Next, I'll go ahead and click on new application kit, and you can see that we have our LinkedIn profile selected here. Now you need to go ahead and add in a description. So the description for the job that you want to create the resume and the cover letters for, I'll add in this description for an SEO analyst. You can also toggle through these different settings, so whether you want it to be casual, neutral, or formal. I'll just make this semi-formal and click on generate. And then it's going to create all these three items in no time. So we have our job specific cover letter here. So it says, I'm writing to express my interest in the SEO analyst position. With my background in SEO and web design, I believe I can help improve your online visibility and drive organic traffic. So it's really collected information from the LinkedIn profile, because it also mentions in my role as director of SEO at Search Brilliance, so that is my marketing agency. It's mentioned in my LinkedIn profile. I focus on optimizing website for dentists. Okay, so very specific. So it's done a great job over here. We also have our CV and also an email, so follow-up mail. Whenever you're reaching out to companies, you might have to send out a few follow-up emails, right? So we have all three done in a matter of seconds. That's just crazy. If I scroll down, you can see that we can download this in PDF. We can also copy it directly and paste it to wherever we'd like, and we can also go ahead and further edit this. So what I'll do is show you how you can edit your resume. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on edit here, and you'll notice that we have a lot of different options that we can actually edit to really refine our resume. Okay, so we have all the items: name, email, professional summary, employment history. You can update everything over here. Okay, you can also select from a variety of different templates. So this is a classic black and white template, but if you click on the template option, you'll see that we have these different options over here that you can select. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on this one, and then it's going to update my information on this. Okay, very cool. You can also let the platform know whether you like what it generated for you or not by giving it a thumbs up, thumbs down. Well, I like this, so I'll give it a thumbs up. And then you can very easily, once you've done doing all the edits, download the PDF format, and then it will be ready to send out. So I'll go ahead and click on save and exit. and you can see that I have my resume, my new resume added over here. I also will have my cover letter. See the SEO analyst cover letter added in over here. Now you can also use AIApply to practice for your upcoming interviews. So all you have to do is click on job interviews, and then you'll be able to get a series of questions that you can answer to really see where you stand before your actual interview takes place. Okay, so all you have to do is click on new job interview. You can see that we have our profile selected here. You can always replace and switch. If you've added additional profiles, you could always do that. Add in the title and a small description, and then it'll be ready to go. Just click on generate. Okay, but I've already created one, so the SEO specialist. I'll go ahead and click on start to show you how this works. Click on start interview, and then it gives me the question. I need to type in the answer. So what experience do you have in SEO? Okay, so let me just show you what happens if you give an answer. In this case, let's say not a very detailed answer. Let's see what the AI responds with. So I've added, and I have a total of 5 years in SEO and managing websites. Very basic answer. Let's see what the AI says. Well, it's not a very good answer. And then the AI actually highlights this and tells you, it gives you a score first of all, so 60%, and then it gives you points that you need to follow to improve. Okay, so provide specific details about your SEO experience, such as techniques or tools used. Mention any measurable achievements, improvements in website ranking or traffic. Discuss any relevant certifications. So it gives a really clear and concise outlook as to the type of answers that you should be giving. It also gives an answer view. So if you click on show answer, it gives an answer. So I have 5 years of experience in the SEO field, working with various clients and industries. My experience includes on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical. So it really helps you to plan out your answers in advance. It will actually be very useful when you're giving the actual interview. That being said, let me show you another feature, which is the job search. So I'll click on search, and then I can very easily type in the job that I want, type in the city, and then it's going to give me a list of the latest jobs posted on different websites. Okay, so because I'm an SEO guy, I'll type in SEO, and then it's going to give me a bunch of different jobs posted recently in different websites. So you can see senior SEO project manager, product manager, SEO copywriter, and see the time posted. So 1 day back, 2 days back, 2 days ago, again 3 days ago. So senior SEO strategist. So if I want, I can actually refine it even further. So I'll just do SEO analyst, and then you can see it gives me exact jobs related to the query that I've typed in. So SEO analyst, so on and so forth. Now you can very easily go ahead and save this, so that way it's going to be added to your saved jobs over here. Okay, so really cool and all-in-one tool that you can use to create resumes, cover letters, follow-up emails, find jobs, and you can also apply to jobs. So they have this extra add-on feature in which they will automatically apply to jobs. So you can see they'll apply to 100 jobs for you per month, and there's a cost attached to it because it's automated. But then just imagine if you had the budget, all you had to do was get your hands on AIApply. It'll create the resume, it'll find the jobs, and it'll also apply to the jobs for you. Okay, how cool is that? But I want to show you a feature that is really going viral on the internet, which is the interview buddy. Now this feature is crazy because this is an extension that you can use to actually answer questions the interviewer asks you in real time, and I'll show you how this works. So all you have to do is come down and click on download extension. It's going to redirect you to the extension page. You can see that I've already installed it over here. Go ahead and install it, and then it's going to look like this. Okay, so all you have to do is add in the interview information. So basically your CV. So you can just copy paste your CV information here, the job description, the position you're applying for, and the company. You can save the interview, and then once the interview starts, it's automatically going to study the question that the interview asks you, and then it's going to give an answer. It's really amazing. So I'll go ahead and add in some information here. So I've added in some information regarding the interview over here, and I'll go ahead and click on save interview. That way it's going to have this information stored and can answer accordingly once we actually get on the call. By the way, you can also practice with yourself or with your friends before you actually get on with the actual interview. Okay, so what you want to do to get an answer quick is just press the space button after the question is asked. Okay, so for example, let me go ahead and ask a question like what's your experience in SEO so far? Click on space and then you get the answer. So it says I have over 3 years of experience in SEO, starting as an SEO analyst, and on it goes. So it's really amazing. Let me go ahead and ask another question. So tell me some challenges that you faced in your previous company, space again, and then it gives me an answer. So one of the main challenges I faced in my previous company was dealing with frequent algorithm updates from Google, which requires us to constantly adapt our strategies. So on it goes. Now you can very easily minimize and hide this pane from your computer screen in case you wanted to just focus on the interview. So AIApply is truly going to transform the way you look at jobs in general, you know, from searching for jobs, applying for jobs, helping you with the actual interview. This tool is going to change the game. So I'm going to be leaving a link in the description. Like I mentioned, go ahead and test it out. I'm sure you're going to like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.